Okay, so let's go over a little overview. In the preceding steps, I'll have assembled this. So I'm going to kind of have a little warning before you go there and begin assembling this stuff, because I had some issues. This is the first one I've assembled. First of all, my board, see my board? It is working. I also have my board soldered together. You will not do this in your project. I did this as a layout so you could look at it and see everything laid out, and I color coded my wires. You have wires provided. If you wish to use the stiffer wires, I haven't folded one up yet. I think it would work better, but I will not promise that until after the first project. So I've laid this out and for you to see, but do not solder these together. This is a layout for you to look at. Okay, secondly, I had some issues. I didn't want to break open another kit and get orange LEDs. So I just borrowed some old ones I had that were blue from an Awesome USA project that I had to take apart. Please note that if you interchange LEDs, you also have to have different value resistors installed. Now, can I do that and have different color LEDs on my board? Yes, I can. It depends on how you do it. If you did what I did, you'll end up with this. You'll end up with a whole square not working. Every LED on this board is on the same circuit. So this one is on the same one. This is on the same one. Notice that they're all coming on at the same time. So if I want all blue LEDs on the corner, well, yes, I could put those in there, but I will have to modify my R10 resistor and make it 200 ohms. Here's a warning. This is a blue kit. It has a different value resistor than what's listed in the instructions. So yes, I can substitute, but I'll have to substitute the same spot on every board and change out the resistor to the appropriate one, to answer your question. Secondly, when I have the video about installing the header, I made a simple mistake because this is a double-sided board. I installed my header on this side. This is my 10-pin header where my ribbon cable connects. In my videos, I show it plugging into here. I did not solder it in. I was showing for an example, but I did go ahead and put it on the wrong side. If you install your communication port on the wrong side, it is going to be a very large pain to remove, and you may not have communication to your chip and have to rebuild your control board. So very important, do not put the 10-pin header on the wrong side. It should go on this side with a switch. Secondly, there is an optional terminal block to power your 5 volts. So you can hook it up to USB. We're going to skip that step. If you want to, you can cut a cable in half and solder it on your board here. For some reason, this terminal block mount is too large to fit through the holes provided, and so it's not really going to work well for us. I tried the surface mount and it didn't hold, and so I simply soldered some wires to the board. We're not going to install that. So what I'm going to stress to you after building one of these is they are pretty cool. Interchange LEDs at your own peril, but see me first. But be careful and take your time laying your board out. And so that is all.